Hi guys, I am Brooke Nickel with Post Love Skincare. I am so excited about your interest in partnering with us. I'm going to briefly describe 3 of our products in our line. We're going to talk about first, Faded, which is our hero product, topical application, post-injections or skincare treatments. We're going to talk about Fixed, which is our CBD tincture. And we're going to talk about our lip balm, which is just your everyday treatment for hydrated lips. Okay, our first product we're going to talk about today is Faded. Faded came to me about 4 years ago. I'm an injector myself. I was wanting to create something that I could help people get back to themselves sooner. Like get through that swelling and that kind of, I always say like wonky phase quicker so that they can get back to them and doing what they love to do. And there was really nothing on the market. I think for years and years and years we have Arnica, and Arnica is sometimes great and sometimes not. But what is the magic sauce in this is certified organic CBD. And it works. I did trials in my clinic until I knew exactly what milligram I needed to put into this product to make it work every time. So the milligrams do matter. When you have a 30 ml, which this is the product that I keep on my back bar, it is packed with 1,800 milligrams of CBD. So that is a lot of medicine. It is going to help your patients immediately feel the relief from threads, Sculptra, injectables, microneedling, Kybella, anything like that that could actually be a little sensitive to the patients immediately will be calmed. We have it in 3 different sizes. You have your 30 ml, it's a back bar. I have a 10 ml, which I love to retail. And then this is my 5 ml, which we package with procedures. So anyone who gets lips, tear troughs, or multiple syringe packages will actually go home with a 5 ml Faded, and it really just helps their overall experience so that they're coming back to you to get more treatments done. So this is what a lot of our patients leave with, and then they come back wanting more, so we'll sell them the 10 ml. The next product we're going to talk about is Fixed. Fixed is 100% organic CBD tincture. This is something that everyone could use. If you truly listen in your consults, the patient is going to say that they are going through something that this medicine can help. This is my go-to medicine instead of Advil, and it does not upset the gut like something like ibuprofen or Advil could. This helps with any sort of chronic inflammation, sleep, menstrual cramping, but also anxiety. So when you have those patients who come in that have a little bit of needle phobia, this is a perfect opportunity to offer them a CBD tincture. This has less THC in it, and it does not give you any sort of psychotropic high. So when you have those patients who associate CBD with marijuana, you can let them know they're not going to test positive on a drug test and they're not going to feel high. This is simply the medicinal part of the plant that's going to help with the inflammation. They can go home with that and buy that, or you can have samples in your office that you can easily, 20 minutes before their procedure, have them put this sublingually under their tongue, let it stay for about 30 seconds because everything absorbs better sublingually than through our gut, and they will actually feel that calming effect before you can start the procedure. So this is our CBD tincture. We have 3 different flavors: cinnamon, mint, and lemon. You cannot go wrong with any of those flavors. So enjoy. The last product I want to talk to you about is our Post Love Lip Balm. And this quickly becomes a crowd favorite. It has CBD, SPF, and Arnica in it, and it's just a really amazing product. This is going to be your everyday product for hydration and protection. Just note that this is not a treatment like Faded. So Faded is actually going to be your post-injectable treatment, where this is kind of like your everyday go-to lip balm. I hope you guys found that helpful. If you have any questions or concerns, please get in touch with myself or Stacy. We would love to partner with you.